In this segment, we'll show you how to assemble your new Terra King 45-gallon sprayer. Begin by aligning the 3-point hitch A-frame, part 1, with the left frame base, part 2. Then fully secure it with 3 3/8 by 1 inch carriage bolts, part A. And 3 3/8 inch flange nuts, part E. Now repeat for the right frame base, part 3. Then secure the linch pins, part J. Next, insert the Cat 1 top pin, part K, and secure it with a linch pin, part J. Now align the rear frame base, part 4, and fully secure it with 4 5/16 by 3/4 inch flange bolts, part B, and 4 5/16 inch flange nuts, part F. Next, align a boom support, part 5, and fully secure it with 2 5/16 by 3/4 inch flange bolts, part B, and 2 5/16 inch flange nuts, part F. Repeat for the other boom support. Now, align the tank assembly, part 6, and fully secure it with 4 5/16 by 5/8 inch flange bolts, part C, and 3/8 inch flat washers, part D. Tighten the bolts to no more than 7.5 foot-pounds. Next, thread a 5/16 inch flange nut, part F, onto the cable lanyard with I-hook, part H. Then connect it to the frame assembly with an S-hook, part I. Now align the cable in the tank's indentions and insert the other end into the frame. And fully secure it with a 5/16 inch flange nut, part F. Adjust the top nut to create tension with the cable. Repeat for the other cable lanyard. Ensure the threads of the pressure gauge, part G, are wrapped with sealant tape. If it needs tape, ensure you wrap it in a counterclockwise direction. Then hand tighten the gauge in a clockwise direction. Be careful not to over-tighten it. Now align the hose hanger, part 8, and fully secure it with 2 5/16 by 5/8 inch flange bolts, part C. Next, thread a 1/4 inch nut, part M, onto the 1/4 inch bent pin, part L. Now insert it into the hose hanger and fully secure it with a 1/4 inch nut, part M. Caution: do not connect the sprayer to anything other than a 12-volt battery. Now connect the black ring terminal from the battery wire harness part P to your power source's negative terminal. Then connect the red terminal to your power source's positive terminal. Now connect the switch wire harness part O to the battery harness and route it to the sprayer. Then connect the switch harness to the pump.